I'm now in Derby with a an hour wait, and we just walked into like town, so coming up to some shops over here. Yeah, just looking around. There's nothing else really to do anyway, so yeah. Where does that go? Derbian? Dad, do you know what this is? This? Well, why can't you just go over there? Oh. So this goes under the road? This is a Coney. Oh wow. Oh, there's a showcase. Oh yeah, we're supposed to go Primark. Alright. So, next. Dad, do you think they do Shooting Sports Direct?
They will do.
Alright. This thing has a really fashionable Coney corn. Oh, I remember New Look. Look. What's next there?
Which size are you?
8. Oh, I like these. Oh, I like these. These balls. Yes. They look like designer. Nah, too colourful. Do they even do any of my size?
Oh yeah.
Where are they then? No size attached to them. Oh, Dad. You can't find the size sometimes on here. Oh, 59 quid. Oh, some expensive shoes.